Hello everyone, my name is Judy. Today I'm going to show you around our factory. UN Forklift was founded in 1978, located in Hangzhou City. The land size of our factory is about 70,000 square meters, which is equal to 10 standard football fields. On my right hand is our office building. On my left hand is our workshop. Let's follow me, please. Now we are in the office lobby. Please follow me. This way. This is our R&D center, purchasing department. On the second floor is our financial department and UN President office. This way is to our reference room. Here we are in steel cutting machine. We have three kinds of cutting machines: laser cutting machine, flame cutting machine, plasma cutting machine. This is our laser cutting machine for accurate cutting. Over there, parts are cut by the laser cutting machine, usually for 6 mm steel channel. This is the flame cutting machine, is for cutting big profile carbon steel, usually for 10 mm steel channels. This is our inspection area. After the parts are cut by, this is the first destination after the material comes off the machine. This is our plasma cutting machine. It's for fast cutting. It makes our cutting work very efficient. Here is our finish processing workshops. The green machine is milling machine for channel steel, sliding tracks, make sure smooth service. On my right hand is our drilling machine. You can see that it is working very hard. The white machine named CNC Center, making most parts of chassis. This is our welding workshop. You can see we have 5 robots for welding work, such as overhead guard, chassis, mast. And also there are some workers for manual welding work. Here is our semi-manufactured parts. You can see we store the counterbalance, chassis, mast for Korea in this place. Here is our assembly line workshop. On my left hand is the assembly line for heavy-duty forklift and electric forklift. On my right hand is the assembly line for 1.5 ton to 3.5 ton. Here is our pre-assembled engine, transmission, and axle. The kitty board on the wall are our process sheets, which contains the installation instructions and the parts required for each station. Our workers will install the components strictly according to the process sheets. Here is a 3-ton assembly line. You can see our radiator is specially optimized. Therefore, rubber big pads on for mounting positions to absorb the vibration. This is our 3-ton original integrated suspension overhead guard. Therefore, big pads on for positions to absorb the vibration. It makes the driving very comfort. The assembled forklift will be off the line at this place. Here is our big heavy forklift trucks will be installed here. Most of the parts of the heavy truck will be installed in this line, such as overhead guard, chassis, mast, counterbalance weight. When they are finished, they will be moved to another place. Here is our painting workshop. After the parts rusted removed, the parts will be placed in this workshop. This is our test and inspection area. We will test the following items as below. We will check the master static pressure test, painting test, loading capacity test, turn test, and other parts function test. After test is okay, we will move them to the warehouse.